How to stop the background apps or programs from running in Windows 10 or 11. There are two methods that I'm going to show you. The first one is that you have to click your start and go to the settings, and then within the apps you need to click on to this installed apps. Here you will find all the apps that are installed on your Windows, and the app that will run in the background will have the option of advanced options, as you can see over here. For example, if I go and click onto the Audacity, it doesn't show us the advanced options, which means that this Audacity is not running in the background. So we're going to click this 3D viewer and then click advanced options, and a new window will open up, and here right on the top you will see background apps permission, and let the app run in the background. Here it is like written power optimized. You can select always and never. So for disabling or turning off, you can just click never and then click close. The second method, press Ctrl Alt and delete, click onto the task manager, and within the task manager you will see all the processes that are running in the background. If I click onto the status, here you will see that some of the processes have been paused and some are running in the background. From here you will see all the processes. You will see the applications also that are running in the background, like Microsoft OneNote is running in the background. So I can just do a right click and click end task. So this app will get closed. The other thing that you can do is that click onto the services, and from here just click on the status. You see all the services that are running in the background. So you can select any service and then do the right click and click stop. The next thing that you can do is that you can just click on the startup apps and disable all the apps you don't want to run in the background when you restart your Windows. For example, if I don't want this BitTorrent to open up every time I start up the PC, I can just do right click and click disable.